says something came in the mail today. Oh, okay. It was super fast shipping. It took a week. So I ordered... Oh, look how tiny this is. Okay. And of course it came with... I don't really know what that says, but legit. Oh my gosh. Oh, look how tiny. Okay. Alright, drum roll, look. Look, look, look. Oh. Okay. Oh, there's no turning back now because I've ripped the bag. Okay, so here is what determines everything. I have my phone. It's the iPhone 6 Plus, and this is, like, I asked a million people online if it would fit. Oh, it's tight, but it fits! Ah, oh, yes. Oh my gosh. Okay, now, will it zip? Ah, oh my gosh. Okay. This is it. Okay, so I was really scared that it wouldn't fit, and the whole reason I picked this planner is so I could have like my cards and my wallet all in one when I go to work. Because I really wanted the Erin Condren, but I thought, you know what, this is gorgeous, this paper. I was just really worried because I love to put stickers and things. I don't know if you can see that. It'll focus. It's not focusing. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it has the year calendar. I don't know why this isn't focusing. The months and the days. Oh. I wish I could, like, it's so thin, the paper. It's so pretty. I can't wait to put washi tape and stickers and make this, I mean, it's already gorgeous, but make it even more pretty. Oh,